I have overloaded you with some serious information regarding the business of photography. You've been given a lot of information to digest, so let's just take a breather and just have a chat. When I first began with photography, just learning, I knew that I couldn't sit in a formal classroom setting again. I'd done that in university days twice. And today, my attention span is about the same as my cat Ollie, which is near zero. That aside, I thought to myself, well, how am I going to learn? Udemy didn't exist back then. I just finished up working with the Olympic Games and was completely burned out. I needed a new avenue for creativity and a way to earn income. So I started searching on the internet for photographers in London. This was in the very early years of the internet, by the way. And I found three photographers whose work I really admired, and I emailed them. Each of the photographers is amazing. Really, really amazing. And here I am, nobody of note, and I say, hello, I love your work, I love your photographic style, I would love to learn from you, blah, 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 blah. The email was a bit more detailed than this. Well, each of the three photographers replied to my email, and they said yes. Well, you can imagine how wide my eyes were at that point. So off I went to learn from some of the best photographers in the world. Now, long story short, I did indeed learn the technical and artistic sides of photography. More importantly, these three photographers were mentors to me, sort of like big brothers. They helped to teach me about the photography business, what to do, what not to do, who to look out for. These photographers taught me how and where to sell my images, and they also taught me that I had better present flawless images if I wanted to compete in this world. Simply by listening to their stories, I learned firsthand what it means to be a professional photographer. My suggestion to you is to find a photography mentor and or a professional who will share their knowledge and wisdom with you without reservation. They'll answer your questions. Perhaps there's someone in your town or city. What would be great for you is to follow or shadow a professional photographer to get a true sense of what the business means. I'm sure online there are those who offer this sort of service, but I'd be very, very careful because there are far too many people waiting to take advantage of people like you and me. I offer a mentor program, though I'm not here to sell this to you. I've helped a lot of photographers all online, and many have gone on to do great things. No matter how you choose a mentor, just know this person will offer you a real life, real world education with regard to being a professional photographer.